Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG.
Question number 26. Which is the largest planetarium in India? Answer: Birla Planetarium. Next. Which is the highest gravity dam in India? Answer: Bakra Dam. Which is the highest plunge waterfall in India? Answer: Nohkalikai Falls. Which is the highest lake in India? Answer: Guru Dongmar Lake. Which is the highest road of India? Answer: Umling La. Which is the longest glacier in India? Answer: Siachen Glacier. Which is the highest airport in India? Answer: Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Answer: Pir Panjal Tunnel. Which is the longest beach in India? Answer: Marina Beach. Which is the largest river island? Answer: Majuli. Which is the largest national park in India? Answer: Hemis National Park. Which is the largest canal in India? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal. Which is the largest floating solar power plant in India? Answer: Ramagundam Solar Park. Which is the largest densest populated union territory in India? Answer: Delhi. Which is the largest district in India? Answer: Kutch, Gujarat. Which is the largest river without a delta? Answer: Narmada Delta. Which is the largest cantilever bridge in India? Answer: Howrah Bridge. Which is the largest exhibition center in India? Answer: Yasho Bhumi. Which is the largest aircraft carrier ship in India? Answer: INS Vikramaditya. Which is the largest monastery in India? Answer: Tawang Monastery. Which is the largest arc dam in India? Answer: Idukki Dam. Which is the largest open university in India? Answer: Indira Gandhi Open University. Which is the largest private residence in India? Answer: Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Which is the largest library in India? Answer: National Library of India. Which is the largest state by population? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest airport in India by area? Answer: Rajiv Gandhi International Airport.
If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and also enable bell icon. See you soon.